Alright, what's up mga boss? Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel, E-Boys Vlog, and sa ating segment na E-Boys Motovlog. So for today's video, it's a quick review of our XRM 2022 FI after a month of using it. One thing, I've been hearing a lot comments about the FI XRM. They always say na mahina raw compared sa carb type. Di daw siya ganun kalakas umarangkada compared to carb type. I disagree with those comments because having a 2012 carb type XRM, all I can say is they are very identical when it comes to the power, saka sa speed. I don't really have any issues at all sa FI. Siguro dun sa fuel consumption, mas matipid tong FI. Di ko lang, kasi it was 2012, so di ko talaga siya na-check kung ano yung fuel consumption ng XRM 2012. But I think since FI, that's the main purpose of having the fuel injection is para mas matipid siya sa gas. So I think doon lang sila nagkaroon ng difference. But overall, sa power niya, same engine, same displacement. I really think na pareho lang sila. So if you have any comments, you can feel free to comment down below and let me know. Because for me, this is based on my experience with both XRM carb type and the XRM FI or fuel injection type. So mga boss, na kung napapansin nyo, nagvo-voice over lang tayo. It's because yung actual audio natin sa video na to is napaka ingay dahil sa malakas na hangin and di ko na pwesto ng maayos external mic natin. I wanna let you hear kung ano yung actual video ko, bakit nagvo-voice over tayo ngayon. Yun. Ingat-ingat sa mga aso, minsan naglalaro. I mean, most of the time, maraming sila yung dahilan na di-disgrasya. So, ingat lang. Alright, so yun yung actual footage niya. Kaya I decided to remove the sounds na lang and do a quick, anyways, this is a quick review lang naman. So, a voice over lang. Alright, so that is all for today's video natin about the XRM FI after a month of using it, and then a quick comparison from the predecessor 2012 XRM carb type. But hopefully we'll be able to upload a new video soon, a side-by-side comparison ng ating carb type XRM saka ng XRM FI natin. So sana abangan niyan, and shout out to Larry Makiling, the most helpful student ng school niya for how many years now. So congratulations for maintaining that. Alright, so thank you mga boss and ride safe. See you on my next video.